High-quality hydraulic bending machine tooling molds for press brakes. Choosing the right material for press brake tooling is crucial to ensure performance, durability, and cost efficiency. Our tooling options use high-grade materials like hardened tool steel and alloy steel, selected for their resistance to wear and high-pressure tolerance. For applications requiring extra resilience, premium alloy compositions are available, offering longer service life even under demanding conditions. Each material is chosen based on its ability to withstand the stress of repeated use, delivering consistent precision and extending the lifespan of the tooling in various industrial settings.